Just 90 miles from India's Sikkim, China has done something that's raising alarms across India's defense circles. Satellite images now reveal 3 stealth drones, GJ-11 Sharpsword, deployed at China's Shigatse Air Base in Tibet. And here's where it gets more interesting: these drones are not ordinary surveillance machines. They're designed to fly with China's most advanced stealth fighter, the J-20, in a deadly manned-unmanned teaming formation. A move that could change the balance of air power over the Himalayas. Segment 1. The new threat. Between August and September, open-source satellite imagery from Planet Labs spotted the presence of 3 GJ-11 Sharpsword UCAVs at Shigatse, just 145 kilometers from India's border. Now think about this. That base is not just close to Sikkim, it overlooks India's most strategic point, the Siliguri Corridor, also known as the Chicken's Neck, which connects India's northeast to the rest of the country. If that corridor is ever threatened, India could be split in two. And that's exactly why the timing and location of this deployment matter. Segment 2. Flashback. India and China's battlefield history. This region isn't new to conflict. In 1967, Indian and Chinese soldiers fought brutal clashes at Nathu La and Cho La Pass. India lost 65 soldiers, but China lost between 200 to 400 men. It was one of the few times India defeated the PLA after the 1962 war. Then came Doklam, 2017, a 73-day face-off right near this same area. And again in 2020, after the Galwan clash, reports emerged of fresh skirmishes in the Sikkim sector. History has shown this terrain can ignite anytime. Segment 3. What makes GJ-11 so dangerous? So what exactly is the GJ-11 Sharpsword? It's China's first stealth combat drone, a flying wing design similar to America's B-2 Spirit bomber or the RQ-170 Sentinel. No tail. No vertical fins. Just one smooth, radar-reflecting surface. It carries guided glide bombs inside an internal weapons bay and has a radar cross-section, RCS, of less than 0.05 square meters, meaning radar sees it almost like a bird. It can jam enemy air command centers, conduct deep strikes, and relay targeting data to J-20s. And yes, it's being tested for aircraft carrier operations, meaning it could one day fly from China's Navy carriers straight into Indian Ocean zones. Segment 4. The deadly duo, J-20 plus GJ-11. The real game changer is the partnership. Imagine a J-20 stealth fighter, invisible to radar, flying high above the Himalayas, controlling 2 or 3 GJ-11s remotely. These drones can fly ahead, enter enemy airspace, detect radar, jam Indian air defenses, and even drop precision bombs, while the J-20 pilot stays safely away. It's called Manned-Unmanned Teaming, or MUMT. A technology only the US and China are mastering right now. And China deploying this combo so close to India's Sikkim border? That's a clear signal. Beijing is testing this tech against India.
Segment 5. Why Shigatse Base matters. The Shigatse Air Base is no ordinary base. It has one of the world's longest runways, over 5,000 meters. China even built a secondary runway and new hangars after the 2017 Doklam standoff. In 2023, satellite photos revealed 6 J-20 stealth jets parked there. And now, the GJ-11 drones. It's becoming China's stealth hub in Tibet, a launch point against India's northeast. Segment 6. India's countermeasures. But India's not sitting idle. At Hasamara Air Base in West Bengal, the IAF's 2nd Rafale squadron stands ready. Each Rafale is armed with Meteor missiles that can destroy targets over 150 kilometers away, even stealth ones. India's also deployed Su-30 MKIs in the region, equipped with BrahMos and Astra missiles. And an S-400 air defense system has been reportedly positioned in Sikkim. So while China may be flexing its stealth toys, India's defenses are watching and ready. Segment 7. The strategic message behind the deployment. Some experts say this deployment isn't about war, it's about signaling. China's message to India is simple. We can escalate anytime. Are you ready? But here's the twist, the GJ-11's appearance at Shigatse also shows China's nervousness. Because India's S-400 radar systems, Rafales, and space-based surveillance are closing the tech gap faster than Beijing expected. So maybe this deployment is China's reaction, not aggression. A show of power, because deep down, they know. India is catching up. 3 stealth drones. 1 stealth fighter. And just 90 miles separating 2 nuclear powers. The question is China testing its future war strategy against India? Or is it preparing for something much bigger in the Himalayas? What do you think, signal or threat? Tell us in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown insightful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep, intelligent-style analyses, where we decode what the world doesn't tell you.